Ever stared at a neon sign, mesmerized by its glow, and wondered about the magic behind it? You know, the vibrant, eye-catching lights that seem to pulse with energy. Well, today we're diving deep into the world of neon, specifically the difference between neon basic and neon standard. And trust me, it's not as simple as it sounds. Now, you might be thinking, neon is neon, right? Wrong. There's a whole spectrum of neon options out there, each with its own unique characteristics. Think of it like choosing between a regular coffee and a double espresso. Both give you a caffeine kick, but the experience is vastly different. Let's break it down. Neon Basic, as the name suggests, is the foundation. It's your classic, reliable neon. Imagine a classic diner sign, glowing with a soft, even light. That's the vibe. Neon Basic is known for its simplicity. It's straightforward, efficient, and perfect for classic neon looks. Durability, built to last, Neon Basic can withstand the test of time with proper care. Versatility, while not as flashy as some options, it can be used to create a wide range of designs. But what if you want to elevate your neon game? That's where Neon Standard comes in. Think of it as the upgraded version, offering a more dynamic and visually striking experience. Here's what sets it apart. Enhanced brightness, Neon Standard packs a punch. It's significantly brighter than Basic, making it perfect for grabbing attention. Color variations, you're not limited to the standard neon hues. Standard allows for a wider range of colors, including pastels, vibrant neons, and even some unique, eye-catching shades. Customization options, want to add a twist? Neon Standard offers more flexibility in terms of bending, shaping, and creating intricate designs. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your vision. Neon Basic, ideal for classic looks, budget-conscious projects, and those prioritizing simplicity and durability. Neon Standard, perfect for eye-catching displays, vibrant colors, and projects that demand a higher level of customization and brightness. But here's the thing, both Neon Basic and Standard offer unique advantages. The key is to understand your needs and choose the option that best aligns with your project goals. Let's say you're creating a vintage-inspired bar sign. Neon Basic might be the perfect choice. Its classic glow and timeless appeal would perfectly complement the retro aesthetic. On the other hand, if you're designing a modern art installation, Neon Standard could be the way to go. Its vibrant colors and ability to create intricate shapes would allow you to push the boundaries of creativity. Ultimately, the choice between Neon Basic and Standard is a matter of personal preference and project requirements. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I know which one is right for me? The best advice? Do your research. Explore different neon options, talk to experienced neon artists, and consider your budget and design goals. And remember, the beauty of neon lies in its versatility. Whether you choose the classic elegance of Basic or the vibrant energy of Standard, the end result is sure to be captivating. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep glowing.